So today is Singapore's National Day and the celebration. It's a little quiet out, which is a little eerie because they got all this shit set up. All the like barricades and stuff.
Yeah, protecting people.
Yeah, or I don't know actually what they're protecting, but it's really quiet, which is really strange.
Yeah.
Not as many people, maybe they're just still sleeping.
Many of them are dressed in red and white.
Like this. Is it a cake? Is it a cheese? It's a cheesecake. Camembert cheesecake.
It's nitro brew with caramel. And your cool little minion.
So adorable. Okay, so downstairs and outside has been too busy. So we're gonna try upstairs now. Ellie's already there. I'm not confident this is gonna go well. I'm expecting it to be super full. So we will see.
Not so busy now.
Positively surprised, lah. So as per usual, turns out I panicked for no good reason. Seems to be good. But down there is super fucking crowded.
Yeah, and we were thinking of going there first actually.
Yeah. Good that we didn't do that. Let me show you that. And that's where the actual parade will be held, and the shows and everything. Honestly, so far it seems like a bit of a dud. So that was that. That was the highlight of Singapore Day. What did you think?
I like the fireworks a lot, but there was only one maneuver. The plane went all the way up,
Yeah.
and we couldn't see it much.
You know what it reminded me of?
What?
Singapore Airlines business class. The economy class is so amazing compared to other airlines that you don't, like, the difference is to business is not enough. Singapore is such an amazing city compared to other cities that today was kind of weak. Apart from the firework was awesome.
Well, if you're comparing it to airlines, I am perfectly dressed today, so I look like a student.
Sorry if this vlog was a bit low on substance. Not much was happening.
It's Singapore's fault!
Okay, let me explain some of the disappointment about Singapore's National Day. To us, it seemed like Singapore had been practicing for this one special day of the year for weeks and weeks. I myself was filming a video down there when the pilots were practicing their spinny, flippy shit in the air what seemed to me like less than 100 meters above the ground, which is absolutely sick to watch anyway. Unfortunately, when it came to the actual day, there weren't that many exciting maneuvers. The air show for us consisted of one flyby of the giant flag and 2 flyovers from jets that were absolutely deafening to the ear. And that was about it. Oh, and some paratroopers who landed in the water. Big whoop. From the very beginning, we knew that we weren't going to be able to see any of the actual parade with the tanks and stuff, because unfortunately, Singapore has decided to make the tickets to that show only available via a lottery system. And in order to participate in the lottery system, you need to be a Singaporean citizen. Unfortunate, but I guess I get it. So there was no way we were gonna go see the parade up close. So for us, the highlight was always going to be the air show, which we knew they'd been practicing for weeks and weeks. So when it really only consisted of those like 2-3 maneuvers, that was really disappointing to us. Yeah, the firework was pretty good. I mean, it was no Sydney New Year's Eve good, but it was good. But does it rescue the rest of the day for us? Nah, I don't think so. Too much hype, too little delivery, Singapore. You gotta work on that. Anyway, after the fireworks, we went out to meet up with Cez and a couple of his friends. And he decided we should gate crash someone's house party. So that's what we did. But you're gonna have to wait until tomorrow's vlog to see that. So Mano, what have you been up to?